Are you wondering how to generate banner ads with AdCreative AI? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get started with this powerful tool and how it can revolutionize your ad creation process. By the end, you'll know how to create stunning, high-converting banner ads effortlessly with AdCreative AI. And yes, we've got an exclusive free trial offer just for you. Stay tuned for that. So, how does AdCreative AI work? Simply put, this tool uses AI to help marketers, businesses, and creators generate creative ad designs, specifically banner ads, without having to rely on design skills or spending hours brainstorming. Whether you're working with a small budget or a larger campaign, AdCreative AI helps you scale your ad creation while ensuring your designs are optimized for performance. To get started, just sign up for AdCreative AI, and right off the bat, you'll notice how user-friendly the interface is. Once you're in, it's as simple as selecting the type of ad you want to create. In this case, let's focus on banner ads. From there, the software walks you through inputting your brand's information, targeting details, and any key messaging you want in the ad. The AI then generates several creative options for you in a matter of minutes. What sets AdCreative AI apart from other tools is its ability to optimize these banner ads for conversions. The AI doesn't just focus on aesthetics, but also leverages data-driven insights to improve your ad's performance. This means it looks at real-world trends, audience behaviors, and best practices in the industry to ensure that your banner ads aren't just pretty, they're effective. If you're concerned about customization, don't worry. While the software generates multiple banner ad designs, you still have full control to tweak and fine-tune them. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand's unique style. AdCreative AI makes this process seamless and quick, so you don't spend endless hours going back and forth with designers. Another huge benefit of using AdCreative AI is the time it saves. If you're managing multiple ad campaigns or working across several channels, this tool helps you generate ad creatives at scale. You can create hundreds of banner ads within a fraction of the time it would normally take you manually or with traditional tools. And here's the kicker. You can test multiple variations of your ads to see which ones perform best. A/B testing has never been easier. With just a few clicks, you can run different versions of your banner ads and optimize them based on real-time performance. This gives you a huge advantage when it comes to refining your marketing strategy and maximizing ROI. Now, let's talk about pricing. If you're a new user, you're probably wondering if this is affordable. Well, lucky for you, AdCreative AI has a free trial, but it gets better. If you use the first link below, you can access an extended, exclusive free trial that gives you even more time to explore the features of the software and start creating your own ads. So don't miss out on this special offer. In conclusion, generating banner ads with AdCreative AI is fast, simple, and most importantly, effective. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner, this tool allows you to create high-converting ads without needing any design experience. If you've been struggling with generating quality banner ads or just want a more efficient solution, AdCreative AI is definitely worth checking out. So, go ahead and sign up using the exclusive link in the description below to claim your extended free trial. Get started today and take your ad campaigns to the next level.